best small sports sedans for 2024-2023 Cadillac CT5-V. In the realm of small sports sedans, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V stands as a testament to American engineering prowess, offering a blend of robust performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As part of Cadillac's performance-oriented V-Series, the CT5-V aims to deliver an engaging driving experience that caters to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike. At the heart of the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V is a potent 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing a formidable 360 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, which ensures smooth and rapid shifts. The CT5-V comes with rear-wheel drive as standard, with an optional all-wheel drive system available for those seeking enhanced traction and stability. This powertrain allows the CT5-V to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.8 seconds, delivering exhilarating performance that is both dynamic and refined. Beyond straight-line speed, the CT5-V excels in handling and agility, thanks to its performance-tuned suspension and advanced chassis dynamics. Cadillac's magnetic ride control system continuously adjusts the damping for optimal handling and ride comfort, while the electronic limited-slip differential enhances cornering performance by distributing torque effectively across the rear wheels. This setup provides drivers with precise and responsive handling, making the CT5-V a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. The exterior design of the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V is a blend of sophistication and aggression. Its sleek lines, bold front grille, and distinctive LED lighting signature create a commanding presence on the road. The sporty character is further emphasized by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips, and V-Series badging, all of which contribute to its dynamic appearance. Inside, the CT5-V offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting create a refined atmosphere. The sedan features Cadillac's latest infotainment system with a 10-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. Additionally, the CT5-V includes performance-oriented touches like a sport steering wheel and bolstered front seats that enhance driver engagement and comfort. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V. The sedan is equipped with a suite of advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a head-up display, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V sets a high bar for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT5-V offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether navigating urban streets or tackling twisty backroads, the CT5-V promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.